All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to create a contact group to send to as many people as once as we can. So a contact group is basically a group of emails bunched together in a contact group so that you can send out an email to those 10 people or 100 people or 1,000 people or more. So let's do that. Let's click up here in the little Google Apps button, go to Contacts. I'm going to create a label, and we're going to call this Contact Group. Okay, I'm going to create a contact because I don't have any. So we're going to do Bob Jones and save that. Okay. Bob Jones doesn't have any information, but that's okay. Okay, so we're going to label Bob Jones. We hit the Edit Contact. And let's do this. Let's do more fields. And let me see, where can I label this? Okay, here we go. Contact group. I'm going to save that. Okay, now what that should do, go to contact list, select contacts to label. Okay, so I did this wrong. So we're going to go to contacts, and I'm going to select Bob here, and I'm going to manage the labels. Let me manage the labels. I'm going to label him contact group. I'm going to hit apply, and now he is labeled contact group. So what we're going to do is I'm going to close this tab. Let me close this one first, and this one, and I'm going to hit refresh. Let's refresh our page here real quick. I'm going to compose. Thank you. And we're going to do this. We're going to do contact group. Beautiful. So, because I created that group, Bob Jones will get an email. So this is a very handy tool to have. If you have clients that you're trying to contact and they have a CEO, a vice president, marketing, whatever. If you have like 4 people per client that you need to contact, you can blast those 4 people or 5 people or 10 people. You can put them all in a group and then send it to that group and then send another one to the other group, so on and so forth. So you get the idea, but it's a very useful tool and very cool, to say the least. So with that in mind, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.